What's up guys? Got another video for you today. This is the Air Jordan 8 OVO that just came out in the black colorway. It's got that OVO owl right here. The Air Jordan gold and red logo right here. And it's a pretty nice box if you ask me. Bottom of the box, pretty conventional Nike stuff going on. Let's throw these on eventually at the end of the video here. Hopefully you didn't see anything on the receipt, because if you did, I'll just have to block that out. So the first thing I want to point out here, you can't see just yet. You'll be able to see in just a moment. But over here we got some OVO 23 paper covering the shoes here. So let's get that in focus. You got an owl, you got a 23. Pretty nice paper if you ask me. Pulling out the shoes, you notice they're pretty fire. I myself have a pair of confetti 8s. And I think they're a little bit better than these. But these are pretty fire if you ask me. I know they're not going for too much over retail. That's probably because there's a lot of these pairs available. I mean, I was able to get one for this YouTube video. Although I do make a lot of content, so that's no surprise. Maybe you should subscribe to the channel. That OVO owl at the back is a pretty nice touch. Pretty nice gold black bottoms right here. Pretty nice shoe if you ask me. This sneaker right here is one of my favorite Jordans. Honestly, I think the confetti 8s is one of the best ones. These I don't love as much as those. I like this leather here, but I wish the leather was throughout the entire sneaker. You got the conventional little tongue Jordan logo with the fuzziness on the side. Maybe we'll put these on, maybe we won't, they're not my size. It seems like a lot of work to get these open. But you never know. You'll see in the next clip. As you can see, we got these on foot here. Let's take a step back to get the whole shoe in frame. Like another step to like where my hand is maybe. And as you can see, we have a fire sneaker. We might strap it up here for you in a second. Maybe we'll strap one of them. It's a pretty cool sneaker, to be honest. You got the leather in the front, the suede in the back. It's pretty fly. The back is pretty solid. Yeah. Alright guys, we're going to strap this sneaker right here. I've never strapped a pair of Jordan 8s before, so if I do this wrong, please let me know in the comment section. I'm pretty sure it's a pretty simple task. Here we have them strapped incorrectly because the 23 is at the back, I know, but this other one right here will do correctly in a second. Let's get this in focus here. That's perfect. So we'll strap this one first. And we'll strap this one second to get the 23 on top. You can strap them however you desire. The laces are sticking out here, that's okay. It's a pretty fire shoe. It's one of my favorite Jordans, the Jordan 8. And this is the OVO colorway, the black OVO colorway. Sadly, I don't have the white one in yet, but maybe I will soon. And if you want to know if I get the white one, you should probably subscribe. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.